Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Google Drive, open New, choose More, then Google Forms to create a live form. Name it clearly so respondents know the purpose, and add a concise description that sets expectations. Once done, pick blank or a template. Templates speed things up when questions match your needs. Make sure to set the form language and time zone in settings if needed. This initial setup saves time later and prevents rework when adding questions and sections. You'll now add questions using the plus button. Choose types that match the data you need, like drop-downs for fixed choices and short answers for names or ID. For accurate responses, mark essential fields required and include brief help text explaining formats. Once you have several questions, create sections to group topics. Then use go to section logic on specific answers to branch respondents through different paths. This makes the form shorter for each user and improves completion rates. Finalize by polishing the design so the form looks professional and is easy to scan. Adjust theme colors and header image. Then open Settings. Decide whether to collect email addresses, restrict to your domain, allow edit after submit, or send confirmation receipts. These affect privacy and follow-up. Preview the form, test a submission, and when satisfied, you send to copy a link, embed code, or email directly. If responses don't appear, check filters and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.